Hello everyone. Now we are going to do the exercise, lab exercise for week 3. So here is the lab, right? Okay, the first one is we fork the start project. Come to here, right? Go to, we select this. Okay, so that's the that's the repository. You can fork this one to create your own copy, because I probably only directly get the code here, and come to my project here. Okay, right, git clone project. Right, so that's week 3, and cd week 3 JavaScript exercise. Install npmi, install the jest. Okay, the jest installed. Look these questions. I try to run npm test. Right, false. Okay, we look at the first question. Filter negative numbers, right? So we only return. Run the code to check. Okay, filter negative number. Okay. Numbers dot filter value large deal. Right, trace this. Okay, for passed, right? Check. A quick check. Okay. Filter out the negative number, only return the positive number. Second one, double number divided by 3, right? Write function, take an array of a number, filter out all number that's divisible by 3 and return new array with value number doubled. Okay. Number dot filter number divided by 3. Check. Filter out all numbers are divisible by 3, right? So divide by 3 filter out. So this divides not divided by 3. Okay. Then map we return 2 times v. Okay. Okay, it's wrong. Let's see. Array expect. Okay, probably return this 0. Okay, look at here. Filter out all numbers that are divisible by 3, right? Return. So we want to be returned divided by 3. Okay, that's correct. Let's see, look. Not this one. also passed. Now we look at exercise 3. Exercise 3, high performance student. Advanced field out. Write function take array of student object as input. ID, name, email, GPA, who are GPA greater equal to 5 and have coding as their hobbies. Transfer the filter list to include only the student name and email, right? Okay. Return student dot filter as a student as dot GPA GPA greater than or equal to 5, not equal to 5, and have coding as one of their hobbies, right? Coding. And as dot hobbies dot include coding, right? Okay, now so let's map to transfer filter list to include only the student name and email, right? Map. Student return as name as dot name, email as dot email, right? Okay, map return this. If it's right, so probably only test the third. 5, 3, 2. Only try this one. Okay. Oh, one failed. Alex. Name. Okay. Let me see what happened. Field map. Student map. Let me see what's happened. Select student. Check the data. Student. Okay, let me see what's the problem. So the look, Alice, return Alice, coding, Alex, let's see what is Alex? Alice 6.1. Oh, right, still have a look at the question. Sort the array alphabetically by the student name. Okay, we still need to sort. After this one and sort. Right, sort we have S1, S2, S1 dot local compare S2 dot name, right? Sorting by name. Dot name dot local compare. Okay, S1 dot name local compare. filter map sort. Okay, so there is a minor error in here. It should be local compare. So compare strings, use that one. Okay, so the question 3 finished. So we look at the last one. Aggregating students database reduce. Return student number, student average GPA. Right, okay. We calculate this. Student number equals students dot length. Okay, and students average GPA equals student dot reduce a ERI return a dot GPA plus a plus e dot GPA. Okay. Let me see. Name, email, GPA. So the E is a student. Probably we use S better. That's the student plus accumulator, right? And the initial value is 0. Then divide by student number. Okay. Now we need to have a coding student, right? Coding equals student dot filter s dot hobby dot include coding, and we have constant coding student number equals coding student dot length coding student GPA. We just use the same algorithm, right? But we change this to coding student, right? And change this to this, and we return student number, student GPA, coding student number, coding student GPA, right? Okay, so this exercise 4. Try to check exercise 4. Okay, done. Now we have the last question, swapping between sentence and camel case, right? All right, so we try to check if input dot includes space, so that's the sentence, right? So we return input, so that's the sentence, split by space, and map for each sentence. Okay, each sentence we change to capital first character, but only when I is large than 0. If I larger than 0, we doing this change as plus dot to upper uppercase plus s dot slice 1, right? So this is put the first character as the capital, and otherwise we just return s, right? So this first one map, and also join empty string. Okay. If include this one, so that's a sentence. Otherwise, we are going to change it back to normal sentence. So that's camel case. Otherwise, we return input dot split. So this way we change them to character by characters, and dot we use map, right? As we want to check if this is capital, as if s equals s dot to uppercase. So that's the capital character, right? Right, we probably do not use if, we just use a ternary operator. If that is uppercase, if it's uppercase, we return to space, right? Plus s dot to lowercase. Okay, we change this with the space. Otherwise we just return s, right? Okay. Okay, and there. This one. That's where it is, and we join together. Okay, now we try this exercise. Look at the exercise 5. Okay, so some are correct, some are wrong. We'll have a look about this. Split. Split as dot join. Oh, okay, syntax error, right? Check here. Okay, done. Then we remove the only. Okay, all the test case passes. So that's the end of the JavaScript exercise.